A new scam is targeting folks in Clark County, and they're using the court system to do it. 8 News Now anchor Christy Ann Klein is on your side tonight with the details.
Well, scammers are targeting people right here in Clark County, lying to them, telling them they have an arrest warrant for failure to appear on a grand jury summons, and then trying to get the victims to pay for a prepaid credit card for hundreds of dollars to clear the false arrest warrant. Now, Clark County officials warn that this fraud is happening on the phone and using an official-looking email. They want you to know that the court never calls on the phone to solicit money or personal information. Beware of any phone call or email that looks like a jury summons and asks for personal information like date of birth, driver's license number, or social security number, especially if it threatens a fine or prison if you don't respond. Now, if you received an email or call, don't respond. Instead, contact the Attorney General's office or Metro. County officials want to prevent people from falling for this scam. Even if you haven't been a victim, make sure to spread the word to your friends and family. Back to you.